welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all my subby for your support. If you're new here, welcome. I am sorry that I didn't have a new video to post it lately because I have so many things going on in my family. My mom was sick, so I have to travel back and forth to New England quite a lot, so that I didn't have time. Plus I have to work and kid and so many things going on, so I'm so sorry. And today I just got this item. I'm really excited, so that's why I try to sit down and film this record this video and post it, because I want to share with you. I have an eye on this item for a long time since they just came out, but I didn't get it. For I don't know, for some reason I didn't get it, and finally I got it. Let's stop talking. Let's open it. I ordered this item online. When I browsed on Hermes website, I saw it on the color that what I want and the size for my shoe that in my size. So I placed an order right away, and I hope it will be okay. I already cut the tape, because you know before I film it, because if I cut during I film this video, it take longer, so I just cut the tape. And as you do when you order online, you see they come with the white box outside. On the top of the box have the Hermes building here, and inside is the orange box. And I love the Hermes package. It's very nice. And when you order online, they came like that. And this is the receipt. When you order online, they have the big envelope like this, and the receipt inside. And this is proof of purchase. Let I put this aside. Let's open it. I love the orange box. Go. And as you know, these are shoes, not bag or anything. And they come with this bag. And let it take it out and put this box aside. And it came with 2 dust bags. And here we go. I ordered this shoes called Chypre or Chypre. I don't know how you say it, but Chypre, because that's how I asked my mom, because she know French, so she say about Chypre, because French they don't pronounce the H. I hope that I say correctly. Chypre. Okay. Sandal. And this is in white color. And I ordered in size 37, because when I all of my shoes, Hermes shoes in size 37. And I try on my sister's shoe of this one. She have the black color, and I try her shoes. She is same size as me, and size 37 fit me perfectly. She have 2 shoes. She have one in 37 and one in 37 and a half. And I try both of them, and I think is 37 fit me better, because my feet is kind of narrow. It's not wide like her. As she said, 37 kind of tight for her, so she got the 37 and a half. But when I try it, it's 37. It fit me more than better than 37 and a half, because 37 and a half kind of loose for me on the top, because my feet is kind of narrow and flat. So I go with 37. And when I browsing online last Thursday, and I saw this shoes in my size, so I placed order right away, and it shipped on that day. I received on Saturday, and so that's why I really excited. I really want these shoes for summer, because I will travel this summer with my family, and I need some flat shoes, so that's why I decided to get this one. I saw this shoes came out around like 3 years ago, and it looks so pretty. I like it, but there's some reason I didn't get it, because plus I didn't summer here in Virginia. I live in Virginia, and it's kind of short, and I only like 2 months. Sometimes sometimes lasts only like 2 months, 3 months, and I didn't go out travel much during summer. Only go visit my parents, so that's why I think I will not wear a lot. So that's why I didn't play an order. But if I play an order, that time is much cheaper than now. Now is the price is $910 and 910, and plus tax. Depend on where you live, the price, the tax will be different. So that's why now I regret it. I said I should get it when they just came out, like when my sister get it. But let stop talking about that. Okay, this is the letter, and on the side you see Hermes in brass right here, and on the bottom you can see this is rubber, and you can see they have it's really cute, and they have all the letter H right here, but here is flat, but here you have all the letter H, and in the middle you can see Hermes Paris, make in France right. Hermes, yeah, Hermes make in France right here, and on the insole you can see the Hermes right here. I have this one in white with the black, because this is nice, because summer, is sometimes you go most of the time summer I go back to visit my parents. We go pick up strawberry. My daughter love it, so if I go some place like that, or camping like that, and with the black, and so it won't make dirty, so it's good. So, and there's two of those, this inside 37, and it have a velcro. You can open it, and inside, and the only thing you can adjust a maximum is here. You cannot go further than that. And I heard inside, let me open it, and underneath the velcro you can see it say have a code in here, and it's size 37. Yeah, I have a code right here, and 37. And on the insole, I wear you can feel it kind of hard, but I wear size 37 Birkenstock, and it's very comfortable. And so that's why first when I saw this one, I kind of, because this is not my style, I usually don't wear this style of shoes, and so that why when I saw it, I said maybe I try Birkenstock. So I will go and buy the Birkenstock, and I wear Birkenstock for a while, and I love it. It's really comfortable. So that why when I make this, I say, sure, well, maybe I get the Hermes shoe then. This shoe is cheaper than Chanel, what they call daddy shoes. I I almost go to get the Chanel daddy shoes, but the Hermes shoe, sandal, that sandal is more expensive than Hermes. So that's why I kind of say, I maybe I go, and I already tried Chanel daddy sandal. It didn't look uh right on with my feet. I don't know, some reason it looked kind of weird on my feet, so that's why I didn't get it. And I say, well, I go with the Hermes Cypre sandal. And but when I go to the store, they don't have my size. I check at the store so many times. Every time I go there, I ask for this. I say, did they have the size 37? They say no, they don't. So well, I didn't get it, and I keep checking on the Hermes website, and for some reason 37 is really popular or some reason, and they always like not available. So when I saw this one last Thursday in size 37, I wrapped it right away. And that's all I have for today. And I will let you know how I feel about this sandal. I will wear this shoes in July for a trip to uh, to Europe. So I will see how it turn out, because I need this one for the long trip, because you know I can wear this to the airport and comfortable on the flight, the long flight. And if I can wear with you know, when you can wear this one, you can have the thin sock and like the um, liner or something. Yeah, and you can wear with thin sock and be safe on the airplane, because most of the time I travel a lot. I You know, when you have a long flight, I don't know about you, but my job travel a lot, and if I wear sneaker and stay very long time, like a long flight on the airplane, my feet get hot. I don't know, but if I wear like Birkenstock and like really thin shoe, sock, and like sheer sock, um, I'll be okay, and it's more comfortable. So I don't show my barefoot, and I still have sock, and it's not too and it's not too tight and not too hot. So that's why I love yeah, Birkenstock shoe, a sandal. So that's why I make decision to get this one, so I can wear it every time I travel, and uh, see how things go. This shoe is kind of more heavy than the Birkenstock, but I think it's look okay. I think it will be okay. I heard about the people get really like itchy here, but I asked my sister. She said because yeah, she said that also because her feet kind of wide, so it touched her this piece of leather, it touched her skin of her feet. So but I try it. She said try it, but when I try it, and my feet doesn't this piece of leather doesn't touch the skin of my feet at all, because my feet kind of narrow and flat. So I don't know, like I will show I will let you know how do I feel about it, and if it turn out okay, I will get the black one and the gold color, because I love the gold color and black also. So I have to try this one first, and if work okay with if I feel comfortable and it work okay for me, I will get the another two color before the price go up. And so again, I thank you for so much for your support, and thank you for your time to watch my video. I'm really sorry. I saw a lot of your comment and question you asked for more video review. I will try my best to have all of them review for you. um, Maybe after my everything settled out, because my family right now is like my life right now is like a roller coaster, like up and down, because so many things going on. And um, I thank you so much um, for your support. It means so much to me, and I read all your comment, and so, I will try to reply back all to your comment with all my knowledge. And so again, I thank you, and I wish you and your family all the happy and healthy, and with all my heart. Um, Again, thank you, and I hope I can see you in next video. Bye bye.